What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Modern Strike Online. I love this game, y'all. And today we're doing a shotgun only challenge with my green shotgun. I love this gun. Shotgun only challenge. Let's see how this goes, because I'm shit with the shotgun in this game. I still got auto aim turned on. Auto shoot turned on because it just kind of makes it easier. Ooh, we're at the business office. Oh, the good old slaughter map. But you never know, we might just win. Shotgun only. Let's go. I'm ready. I gotta figure out what my team looks like. Because, I don't know if we're terrorists or counter-terrorists. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Hold up. They're gonna come from over there. Ooh, oh shit. Hold up, get down. Bitch. The shotgun only challenge is gonna go to shit. I can tell it now. I got an assist though. Oh. Yo, this is gonna go to shit real fast. I'm horrible with the shotgun. That dude's got like 1 point of health left. He's gonna die. Okay. Oh, die. Oh, killed him. With no damage. Take him. Oh, where'd that other dude go? Can't run from me, bitch. Oh shit. Okay, my buddy killed him. With his Uzi. Oh, the shotgun only challenge is hell right now. Ow! No, where'd he go? I need to turn my sensitivity up on this. Kill. Oh, double kill. How'd I get a double kill? That was pretty cool. I'm holding up this team with a shit shotgun. Ain't that something? Let's go. I love this gun. I need to get up close. There's people behind out. I'm stuck in a cubicle. I keep getting stuck in cubicles. Die, bitch. No, die. Oh, I didn't kill him. I got 3 deaths and 4 kills. Damn. At least I'm holding this shit up. Barely holding it up. Let's go. Jump right back in. Shotgun challenge. 100% not my shotgun. I want to switch to my scar so bad though. Kill. Okay, that means there's somebody over there. He's shooting at somebody over there. Oh, kill. Oh, heal. Oh, that was so fucking close, y'all. I had like 2 points of health left. Oh, he almost had me. End of round. Oh yeah, I killed another one before it ended. We destroyed them. Nothing but win, bitches. Nothing but wins. Oh yeah. 5 players killed. Oh, I'm a savage. I feel like a savage. 7 kills in total. 3 deaths. No, that was 3 assists. No. How many deaths did I have? I don't know. But let's go. Jump right into the next game. Oh, still in the office. That's not bad. Y'all really like this game. But if y'all know another FPS shooter that's similar to this, or that's good, it's like a really good FPS shooter, let me know. But not Guns Boom. I don't like that game too much. I played it for a little while, but I wasn't really too into it. Okay. Let's see who's got a score. Die. Oh, damn it. Oh, I killed him. Yeah, bitch. That's what you get. I think I took a buckshot to the head. What's up with them surviving like 8 shots to the face, though? The only thing I don't like about this game is it's based on health bars and not realistics. Like Call of Duty, you shoot somebody in the head and they're gonna die. Did you just commit suicide? Okay. Die. Kill, bitch. Bitch. You're a bitch. These people are suicidal, man. They make you think about life. Get down, get down, get down, get down. Kill! Yes, yes. I did not think I was gonna have him. Kill. I had 6 points of health left. Holy shit. Woo, that was close. Yo, this game was awesome. On some real shit. Okay, let's go through here. See if I can find any more bad guys. Can't run from me. You can't run from me. Whoa, what the fuck? He killed the shit out of me. It made no sense. That dude fucked me up. Like bad. Like in one shot. Oh, assist, bitch. I assisted in your death. Ooh. Broski, you're about to die. Bitch, assist again. No, we're owning this game. I'm owning the shotgun right now. Oh, why am I walking into a wall? What are they doing there? Hold up. Somebody's following me. Where'd he go? I can't see him. Kill, bitch. Double kill! I need heal. Oh shit. Shit just got real. Woo. You remember, you can't hide. Ah, another kill. Oh god, this is so fun. Yeah, bitch. I owned that round. I owned that shit. Ah, that was so fun. Oh god. I had, how many kills did I have? 6 kills, 2 assists. Ah, I feel like a fucking beast. What was the total score? There was literally only one enemy that died that I didn't help with or kill. I feel like a beast, y'all. Let's go, another one. Let's do another one. I don't know why I keep picking this map. Don't bother me none. I'm owning this fucking map. Let's go. Can't nobody stop me. You can't kill the Joshua. You can't kill me. I already told you guys my first name. You'll never know my last name though. Oh shit. Oh. Owning this bitch. Owning it. Barely took any damage. Fuck yeah. There's somebody back here. Crouch. You don't even know what's happening. Did he commit suicide? Chose the easy way out. Oh, I love owning this game. I wonder why he's committed suicide. That's fucked up. Die. You die. Haha. Headshot, bitch. Oh shit. Oh! Damn, that dude fucked me up. I was trying to run. I guess that's what I get for going in there where they were all spawning at, and I think I spawn killed that dude. I own this shotgun. What's some real shit? Go around the corner. Okay. Go in here. Whoa, what the fuck? Whoa! Holy shit! Did I break the game? Okay, I had to leave that match because the game like glitched the fuck out. Did y'all see that shit? That shit was crazy. Ah, level 4 though. That was cash, 25 gold. Oh, I got one gun for so long. Okay, equipment. Let's go to, oh wait, shotgun challenge. We're doing the shotgun challenge.